Question 34, give a value for D and a value for E for the equation DE equals 60 to make it true. Now, what you need to know here is in algebra, whenever you see two letters right next to each other, the two letters can mean take different values. So D can be one value, E can be another, but there is an invisible times sign between the two letters. So DE actually means D times E. Anytime there's two letters in algebra, there's an invisible times sign between them. That is the only symbol you can have that's invisible. You can't have invisible add signs. You can't really have invisible subtract signs or invisible divide signs, but you can have an invisible times sign. So I think that's just worth writing down. So invisible times sign. Okay, so we're basically looking for a number for D, a number for E that time together to make 60. So two numbers that time together to make 60. Now there's different answers for this. So it's all about what times these together to make 60. So you could have 1 times 60 makes 60. You could have 2 times 30. You could have 3 times 20. You could have 4 times 15. You could have 5 times 12. You could have 6 times 10. So D could be any of these numbers and E could be any of these numbers, but the two numbers have got to pair up to match. So you obviously you can't say that D is 1 and from this list and E is 15, because 1 times 15 isn't 60. It's got to be the two numbers that pair up to make 60. So any of those pairs of numbers, and you could also do them the other way around as well. So instead of 1 times 60 for D and E, you could have flip it around, do 60 times 1, flip 30 times, flip that around, 30 times 2, 20 times 3, 15 times 4, 12 times 5, and 10 times 6. So D and E can be any combination out of the two lists that we've got there.